Assalamu alaikum, all of you. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Yesterday we have learned about balanced diet, and it was part one. I hope all of you remember about the proteins, fiber, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrate, fats, uh, all the nutrients except water, because we are going to discuss water today, right? So today we are discussing balanced diet part 2. It's unit 1, lesson number 5, page number 10, 11, and it's part 2. So we have learned that balanced diet is very, very important. Balanced food is very important for us. We should take all the nutrients in proper way, in proper quantity. Like we should take carbohydrates, we should take proteins, we should take vitamins, we should take minerals, we should take fibers, uh, and all the 7 nutrients. We should take all the 7 nutrients in proper quantity. But what happens if we are taking too much food, if we are taking too much nutrients, even if they are not required by our body? What if we are eating more than our body need? What will happen with bad food? उस फूड के साथ क्या होगा जो हम एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट ऑफ फूड खा रहे हैं, जिसकी हमारी बॉडी को जरूरत नहीं है? वी आर ईटिंग जस्ट फॉर enjoyment, right? We are not eating because our body demanding it. We are eating because we enjoy eating. What happens with our body then? Okay. The spare food is turned into fat and stored in layers under your skin. What will happen with the extra food, with the spare food? Spare food means remaining food. Extra amount of food which was not required by our body. What is mean by spare? Spare means that extra amount of food which is not required by our body, right? So what will happen that with that food? It will convert it into fat and stored under the layers of our skin. You know, we have 3 layers of our skin, right? The third layer is made up of fat, and this fat layer, how that fat layer is made? It is made up of all the remaining food, all the extra food uh, which is not used by our body. It makes a layer under our skin, right? So a certain amount of fat under our skin is good. It's our body requirement. It's the requirement of our skin that we should have the fat layer, so that it can cushion our body, it can protect our body, right? But certain amount fat helps to keep us warm. It cushions, and also it cushions our bones, and it gives us energy if we not eaten for a long time. Let's suppose if you are fasting, so where your body is getting energy, because you are not eating something, you are fasting. That layer of fat start breaking down and start giving you energy. The layer of fat which is present in your skin, it will start breaking down and start providing you energy, right? So why fat, certain amount of fat is good for us? Because it keeps us warm, it keeps our body warm, and it cushions our bone, right? It makes a cushion, it makes a protective layer around our bone, so that if you had any injury, uh, or you fell down, your bones will not break. It is in 80% cases, bones will not break because of that fat layer, right? But if you have a severe injury, your bones may break down, right? So it gives us energy if we have not eating for a long time. uh, let's suppose if we are fasting, or if we are away from our home, we cannot eat something. What will happen with that fat layer? It will start breaking down and start giving you energy, right? That's why some amount of food, some certain amount of fat inside our skin is good. Students, if you have any query, you may ask in the chat. Okay, what will happen with our body if we are taking so much fat? Okay, so what will happen with that fat? What will happen with us if we are taking more fat than our body required? If we are eating more cakes, if we are eating more cheese and pizzas and uh, donuts, all the things which are containing too much fats, what will happen with our body? Do you have any idea? Yes, Mohib, your answer is right. Very good. Okay, so it may cause obesity. It may it can make us fat, right? If we are taking extra amount of fat, if we are taking more fat than our body required, if we are not doing exercise, if we are not burning the food we eat, if we are only sitting and eating, what will happen? It will make us fat, it will cause obesity. What is obesity? uh, बहुत ज्यादा वेट गेन कर लेना, जिसको हम मोटापा कहते हैं, ठीक है? We know that excess of everything is bad. Fat is a nutrient, it is important for us, we must take it, but in a proper quantity. When we are start taking it in a large quantity, and we are not burning it, we are not doing exercise, we are not playing outdoor games, so what will happen? It may cause obesity, and obesity is the mother of all diseases, right? और obesity क्या है? मोटापा क्या है? सारी बीमारियां मोटापे से ही स्टार्ट होती हैं. शुगर, ब्लड प्रेशर, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, these all diseases are very dangerous, and it is caused by obesity if you are eating so much fat, right? What are bad habits that may cause obesity? Sweets, eating too much sweets, eating too much chocolates, donuts, ice cream, sitting in front of the TV and playing video games, and drinking too much sodas, too much cold drinks, eating fries, burgers, all the food which is not healthy for us, right? These all are bad habit, these all are bad lifestyle, unhealthy lifestyle, and it causes obesity. So harmful effects of obesity, मोटापा क्यों harmful है हमारे लिए, क्यों dangerous है? If you are too fat, your heart, vessels and joints have to work much harder because of the extra weight you are carrying around. If our body have too much fat, if we are eating too much, what will happen? It will start, we will start gaining weight, right? And there is a time come uh, when we will feel difficulty in movement. जो बहुत ज्यादा मोटे लोग होते हैं उनसे चला फिरा भी नहीं जाता. Why? uh, because they always have pain in your joints, because uh, they are too fat, they have too much weight, their joints cannot bear their weight, so they will feel difficulty in movement, they will feel pain in the joints. Whenever someone goes to the doctor and complains about the joint pain, the first thing doctor asks is to lose some weight, because he knows that all the pain, all the joint problems are, most of the joint problems are due to extra weight, right? So, and our heart, if we are fat, we have too much fat deposit in our body, so our heart have to work hard to blood pump our vessels. Have you ever heard that the blood vessel blockage in blood vessels occur due to the fat deposition? अगर फैट डिपॉजिट हो जाता है तो जो ब्लड वेसल्स हैं जो हमारी बॉडी में ब्लड को लाने ले जाने का काम कर रही हैं, देयर विल बी अ फैट डिपोजिशन, वहां पे फैट डिपॉजिट हो जाता है, ठीक है? और फिर उसका एक प्रोसीजर होता है कि वो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर जो है वो एक पाइप डालते हैं और फिर उसके थ्रू आप उस फैट को रिमूव करते हैं और फिर आपकी जो वेसल्स हैं वो दोबारा प्रॉपर वर्किंग में आ जाती हैं, ठीक है? सो what we should do, we should take fat in proper quantity, in small quantity, because excess of everything is bad. कोई भी चीज अगर हम बहुत ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में ले रहे हैं, like food is good, right? We will not grow healthy, we will not grow if we are not taking food. But what if we are taking too much food? It's unhealthy, it's obviously unhealthy, right? Because excess of everything is bad for us, it's bad for human, it's bad for our body, right? Okay. So it's the seventh nutrient, it is water. Water is a nutrient, it's an important nutrient. We cannot live uh, without water, right? Water is the basic necessity of human, not only for drinking, but for cooking, but for washing clothes, right? But for bathing, for cleaning, for every purpose, water is very, very, very important for us, right? We cannot live without water. If somebody is not getting water, he or she will die in few days, right? So it is a gift of God. Our body need water as well as the food. ना सिर्फ हमारी बॉडी को खाना चाहिए, बल्कि it also needs water. No one can stay alive without water. Okay, we will die if we are not taking water. ठीक है, within few days. All parts of our body contain water. Water is not only important because we are drinking it, it is important because our all the body organs contain water. Our blood is mainly water, right? हमारा जो खून है उसमें ज्यादातर जो है वो पानी है, almost 90% पानी है हमारी ब्लड में. Our body is made up of 70% of water. टोटल अगर हमारी बॉडी का देखा जाए तो it contains 70% of water, right? And we must drink water because when we are doing activities, when we are doing exercise, water is leaving our body in the form of स्वेटिंग. जब हमें पसीना आता है तो हमारी बॉडी से पानी निकलता है, राइट? यू एवर नोटिस्ड कि जब आप भाग कर आते हैं या जब आप एक्सरसाइज कर कर आते हैं तो आपकी बॉडी को फौरी वाटर की डिमांड होती है। आपका दिल चाहता है कि आपको जल्दी से कहीं से ठंडा पानी मिल जाए। तो ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्योंकि जब आप एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, जब आप कहीं से भाग कर आते हैं या कोई आउटडोर गेम्स खेल कर आते हैं, तो आपकी बॉडी से बहुत सारा पानी जो है वो पसीने की फॉर्म में निकल जाता है। एंड when we go to toilet, we also lose water from our body in the form of urine. जब वॉशरूम जाते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी से जो एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर है जो हमारी बॉडी में के लिए बॉडी में यूज नहीं हो रहा, वो इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन हमारी बॉडी से बाहर आ जाता है। तो इस तरह हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारी बॉडी से कंटिन्यूसली वाटर किसी ना किसी फॉर्म में बाहर निकल रहा है। दैट्स मीन हमें उस चीज को, अपनी बॉडी को कंटिन्यूसली रिफिल करना है, दोबारा हमें बार बार पानी पीना है। क्योंकि अगर किसी चीज की आउट गोइंग रहेगी और हमारी बॉडी से मतलब वो बाहर निकलता रहेगा और हम उसको दोबारा उतना ही पानी, उतनी ही क्वांटिटी में पानी दोबारा नहीं पिएंगे, तो इट मे बी डेंजरस फॉर अस। वी मे गेट डिहाइड्रेटेड, बॉडी मे बी डिहाइड्रेटेड। कुछ लोगों को पानी की इतनी कमी हो जाती है गर्मियों में, वो ज़्यादा पानी नहीं पीते तो उनको इतनी कमी हो जाती है कि फिर उनको ड्रिप्स चढ़ती हैं। आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि जिन लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा वॉमिटिंग्स होने लगती हैं, चाहे उसका कोई भी रीज़न हो, छोटे बच्चों को तबीयत खराब होती है या बहुत ज़्यादा अगर वॉमिटिंग होती है तो डॉक्टर उनको जो है वो फ़ौरन ग्लूकोज की ड्रिप चढ़ाते हैं ताकि उनकी बॉडी में से जो मिनरल्स और जो वाटर निकला है वो पूरे फौरी तौर पे उसकी कमी पूरी हो जाए। सो वाटर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस, राइट? सो what we have learned today that food is no doubt very important for us. We cannot live without eating food. But as we know that what happens with the extra food we eat, right? What happens when we eat extra amount of food, right? That food will be converted into fat, right? And it will form a layer under our skin. Basically, skins have 3 layers, and the third layer is composed of fat. We also called is adipose tissue or adipose layer, right? So we must not forget that what happens with the spare food, it will turn into fat and form a layer under our skin. And a certain amount of fat under our skin is good, right? A certain quantity of fat under our skin is good. Why it is good? Why it is important? Because it keeps us warm, right? And it keeps us warm and it cushions our bones, right? It protects our bones. Not only it keeps us warm, but it also protects our bone, and it gives us energy if we have not eaten for a long time. अगर हमने बहुत लंबे टाइम से कुछ नहीं खाया तो वो जो फैट है वो ब्रेक डाउन होगा एंड इट विल प्रोवाइड अस एनर्जी। आप सबको याद होगा पिछले जो हमारे लेसन्स थे, मैंने आपको उसमें बार बार बताया कि फूड जब हमारी बॉडी में जाता है तो वो ब्रेक डाउन होता है, और जब वो ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा होता है तो उससे हमें एनर्जी और वार्मथ मिलती है। बिल्कुल इसी तरह जो स्पेयर फूड है वो फैट की फॉर्म में हमारी स्किन के नीचे एक लेयर बना लेगा, और जब भी कभी हम भूखे होंगे या हमने लंबे टाइम से कुछ नहीं खाया या अगर हम एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं तो जो कुछ हमने खाया है वो बर्न हो चुका है, तो वो जो लेयर है फैट की, इट विल स्टार्ट ब्रेकिंग डाउन एंड प्रोवाइड एनर्जी, राइट? What will happen with our body if we are taking so much fat? As we already know that excess of everything is bad, right? It may cause obesity. क्या होगा? उससे मोटापा आ सकता है, उससे ओबेसिटी हो सकती है. ओबेसिटी इज बेसिकली मोटापा, राइट? एंड ओबेसिटी इज अ मदर ऑफ ऑल द डिजीजेस. जितनी भी डिजीजेस हैं, जितनी भी बीमारियां हैं, जितनी भी डेंजरस बीमारियां हैं, वो सब उनका ज्यादातर जो रीजन होता है 80% केसेस में वो मोटापा होता है, वो ओबेसिटी होता है. ठीक है. सो what are the bad habits? Eating unhealthy food and having unhealthy lifestyle, it may cause obesity. मोटापा आ सकता है. ठीक है. हार्मफुल इफेक्ट ऑफ ओबेसिटी. अच्छा देखिए, ओबेसिटी, मोटापा वो वाला नहीं है. अगर कोई हेल्दी है, अगर कोई चबी है, तो उसको हम ओबेसिटी नहीं कहेंगे. ठीक है. ओबेसिटी हम उस टाइम कहते हैं जब कोई इंसान अपने वेट की वजह से चलने फिरने में उसको प्रॉब्लम होने लगे. दैट इज ओबेसिटी. वो मोटापा है. लेकिन अगर कोई चबी है तो दैट डजंट मीन कि वो ओबेस है या गॉड फॉरबिड उसको कोई डिजीज हो जाएगी. ऐसा नहीं है. जो बहुत ज्यादा मोटापा होता है, जो आप अक्सर जो है, अगर आप डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देखते हैं तो आपको पता चलेगा, अक्सर मोटे लोगों पे भी डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज बनाई जाती हैं, उनके लाइफ स्टाइल के बारे में डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज बनाई जाती हैं कि उनको उठने बैठने में भी प्रॉब्लम होती है. तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट ओबेसिटी. एक्चुअली दैट इज ओबेसिटी. ठीक है. So if you are fat, your heart, vessels and joint have to work extra harder because of the extra weight you are carrying around. ओबेसिटी के हार्मफुल इफेक्ट ये हैं कि अगर कोई ओबेस है, कोई मोटा है, तो उसकी हार्ट, वैसल्स और जॉइंट को बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एक्स्ट्रा वेट जो कि उसकी बॉडी कैरी कर रही है, राइट? And it may cause blood pressure, it may cause sugar, it may cause joint pains. ठीक है. It may cause cholesterol. These all are very dangerous diseases. And here comes another nutrient, that is water, and very very important nutrient, right? Our body needs water as well as the food. Not we need water for drinking, we also need water for other purposes, like for cleaning, for bathing, for cooking, right? No one can stay alive without water. All parts of our body contain water. हमारी बॉडी के जितने भी पार्ट्स हैं उन सब में पानी होता है. वो सब हमारे जो किडनीज हैं, लंग्स हैं, इन सब के अंदर जो है वो कुछ अमाउंट पानी का प्रेजेंट है. आवर हार्ट, आवर ब्लड इज मेनली वाटर. हमारा जो ब्लड है वो 90% पानी से बनता है, राइट? एंड आवर बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ 70% ऑफ वाटर. और हमारी पूरी बॉडी में ऑलमोस्ट 70%, 65 to 70% वाटर है. Okay. So if you have any question class, you may ask in the chat. कोई क्वेश्चन है आपके पास? Class, if you have any question, you may ask in the chat or you can raise your hands, but make sure your question is related to the topic. ठीक है. It must be related to the topic. Okay. Yes, Mohammad Umar. Do you have any question? Make sure your question must be related to the topic. Yes, Mohammad Umar.
Miss?
जी. Mohammad Umar, I cannot hear you. Please
Miss?
speak loudly.
Miss?
Please write your query in the chat. Hussain Saboor. Yes, Hussain.
मिस कल से हमारी नई क्लास शुरू हो रही है.
I ask you, please make sure that your question must be related to topic.
मिस सैन बोल
Yes,
रहे
कल से आपकी 2 classes हैं. आपको इसके बारे में inform कर दिया जाएगा. I think you don't have any, nobody has any query related to topic, right? So I have some questions for you. Be prepared. Okay. Tell me, what will happen if we are taking too much fats? Raise your hands or answer me in the chat. What will happen with our body if we are taking too much fats? Yes. Please write down the answer in the chat.
मिस सैन बोल रहे हैं very fat can be unhealthy.
Please write your answer in the chat. Okay. Javeria, please answer. Javeria.
मिस अपना WhatsApp हमें
I asked you that please raise your hand if you want to talk related to topic. You can ask these type of question in a personal message. Yes, you are right. If we are taking too much fat, Fatma Hassan, you are right. We will become fat, and becoming fat or becoming obese may cause many other diseases, and we will become ill. Okay, so there is an activity for you. Okay, Ji. Answer me. Match the column. Okay. What will happens with the spare food? Spare food के साथ क्या होता है? जल्दी से सोचिए and answer me. What will happen with the spare food? Yes, Mohib. Yes, Mohib. What happens with the spare food? Fat. Very good. Fat. It will be converted into fat. Excellent. Excellent. And who is going to tell me how fat helps us? How fat helps us? Zainab, I am unmuting you. Please tell me the answer. Yes, Zainab. Yes, Zainab. Sorry?
Yes.
Speak loudly, beta. You are right. Speak loudly, please.
Miss 70.
Fat.
Miss
You
keep
answered
fats
Yes, it keeps us warm.
warm.
Fat keeps us warm.
Warm. Fat keep us warm.
Okay. Essential nutrients. Who is going to tell me about essential nutrients? Yes, essential nutrients. Jaldi, quickly, raise your hands. Okay, I am unmuting. Please answer. Yes, please answer. Yes, 7. Your answer is right. Excellent. There are 7 essential nutrients. जल्दी जल्दी आप मैच करते जाइए क्विकली. Yes, very good. All students who are answering me in the chat, you're right. Very good. Abdul Hadi, Ali Khan, very good. Yes. तो जिनके नाम में नहीं भी ले पाई, बिल्कुल ये कॉपी पर करना है. Okay. And water, quickly. Water, जल्दी से बताइए. कुरतुलैन, आई एम अनम्यूटिंग यू प्लीज. जो चैट में बता रही हैं वो आंसर मुझे यहाँ पे बताइए. कुरतुलैन. Yes, Kuratulैन, please speak aloud.
It's 17.
70. Good. 70% is right answer. Excellent. Right answer. And blood. Okay, हफ्सा आंसर करेंगी. हफ्सा. Blood. Very easy. Yes, Hafsa.
Mainly water.
Mainly water. Okay, very good students. Excellent participation. Okay, so I am repeating the answer again. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट का नहीं हो पाया या कोई कंफ्यूजन है तो प्लीज देख लीजिए. स्पेयर फूड will be converted into fat, right? So स्पेयर फूड का आंसर है फैट. फैट का आंसर है keeps us warm because fat keeps us warm. And essential nutrients are 7. There are 7 essential nutrients. And water, 70% water is present in our body. And blood is mainly water. So here is your homework. Please note it down quickly. Please note down your homework. Define diet and balanced diet. What happens if we eat too much food? Why too much fats are harmful for us? Why we should drink plenty of water? Okay जी. I hope आप सबने homework note down कर लिया है. अगर किसी ने नहीं किया please tell me in the chat. Okay class. Thank you so much class.